is that?
I can't get my arms around it. They're too short.
Why, man?
Let's go.
What is going on, you guys? I'm Sean, and
Mimi.
And today we're back in the kitchen making some.
This is a different dish. It's all roasted. I'm going to roast the gnocchis with baby broccolini,
Boom,
cherry
roasted.
tomatoes, garlic, lemon juice, olive oil. Delish.
Crazy Jackson is barking again.
Here we go.
Here we go again.
Okay, so let's get
The
started.
coffee is almost done. Is it done?
Yeah.
What we got?
We have baby broccolini, but what I did was I blanched it because I didn't want it to be too crisp. I want it to be done, but I want it to be nice and chewy, okay? So I have this in here. I'm going to throw the gnocchi in. Oops, didn't want to come out. Right, so we're doing this. I'm going to throw my cherry tomatoes. This is all going to be a good hearty dish, but yet it's light, you know. And then we're going to throw in the garlic. Let me just do this. Clean hands, guys. And now, this is 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, okay? Those beautiful lemons that I had. So let's get it all covered. The gnocchi are not cooked, okay? But they will roast in there.
I can do a few backflips there.
Aren't they pretty?
Uh-huh.
What a gorgeous dish, isn't it?
Yeah. The food on the dish is pretty nice looking too.
Huh?
The food on the dish is pretty nice looking too.
On the dish?
You said, what a gorgeous dish.
Whatever, Shawnee.
Sean!
Mama would love this.
Mm-hmm.
Your mom. I'll send some home for her later, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I just want to get olive oil on everything. Looking good?
Yeah.
I need a towel.
This one?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
I just threw some salt on there. A little bit of ground black pepper.
Pepper.
Pepper. You could throw in a little hot pepper. Be delish. So I added a little bit of the blanching water when I did the baby broccolini.
Mm-hmm.
So I put some of the water in here
Okay.
because everything's pretty raw.
Mm-hmm.
And I added more gnocchi because Unc wanted it.
All right.
He didn't want to go get all the pasta I needed, but he wants more gnocchi in here.
Who eats 15 pounds of pasta
We
for
need
15
it.
people?
We're going to have it. Thank you.
Put it at 450.
No. Mind your business.
450.
425. It's actually 450 because it's a convection oven. So it's going in. I'm going to check it in about 25 and we shall see.
And I'm going to eat it in 35.
Look at this, how gorgeous.
What if I don't wanna?
Oh my God.
Would you look at that?
Look right there.
Hi, Molly. Looks beautiful.
Right?
Oh,
Look at the camera.
Oh my God.
introducing Miss Molly.
Molly.
Oh my God.
Looks delicious, Meme.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
I like your baby spoon.
Thank you.
That's Frankie's, by the way.
Oh, well, I'm borrowing it. Thank you very much for watching. We're gonna we're gonna try this out now.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good, honey?
Really savoring the flavor, yes.
You taste
Excellent.
the garlic and the lemon and...
I taste it. It's delicious.
You notice how I'm trying to pronounce my R's now? I said garlic.
Pizza.
Why?
No. Yeah,
So
why?
good. You guys gotta try this.
Just garlic.
Garlic. You gotta try this. It's so good.
And it's so easy. Half hour from start to finish, believe me.
So good. Try it out. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Hit that.
Hit that thumbs up.
No,
Hit
that-
subscribe. Hit the bell.
There you go.
Hit it all.
We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Peace.
Kisses.
Thank you.